Noor Hussain illegally operates a laboratory named Assam Lab and X-ray Private Clinic without any paramedical diploma or certificate. Handlooms and Textile Department observes 8th National Handloom Day at Hamran on 7th August. Introductory cum get-together meeting with the people of Deopani was organized on 7th August. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news and details. In the era of science and technology, everything done inside a medical laboratory is dependent upon machinery and modern equipments, counting from collection of the samples till the production of test results. To operate all these modern equipments and machines, one has to be a degree or diploma holder from a recognized medical institute. Likewise, a medical laboratory for testing blood samples, performing X-rays, and various medical tests had been operating at the center of Dokmoka Town Market, Karbi Anglong. But do you know the fact and bitter truth of this medical laboratory? It was shocking to learn that a person named Noor Hussain had been illegally operating a medical laboratory for blood test and X-ray reports since many days with the name Assam Lab and X-ray Private Clinic at Dongmukak Market. The clinic is operated without proper segregation, unhygienic, and without proper electrification. And at times when electricity supply is disconnected, small generator is used as an alternative to electricity and carry out with the X-rays.
Niltum la Dokmoka ke hiti long penangani dingpen ladak X-ray labangso a clinic in Puponlo. Ladak labangso X-ray clinic ang Pupon along ladak Noor Hussain pu ino dabang pudo doboka pen sige bang. Alang likona pentong labangso a license kelong lone la pen technicians alang labangso diploma done avene manghuda me athema labangso clinic along hygienic kali ave pin ason si thekpon long la pen adim da chingkin pik la pen la da ke karan ave pusame alang li generator pen sipa plurji labangso generator sita me kon voltage sanangji ma labangso laboratory long kana si ponangji ma la pen lahai same angton pen kature thepi ason si thekpon long la son pulote kesu kiun e tum han la poson x-ray report jong si mesen ang thek langkle pulote la da kesu ki ponatum Tangnat labangso ang tek long pon pelo lasi manghuda me lasi lahai atumpan ilitum kelang talipon kenang sot pusinil tum mathadamlo athema lang likona pesin labangso laboratory technician labangso diploma ke enlone thangda chini de.
As per the report of Noor Hussain, he informed that he do not possess any laboratory technician diploma, nor does he has a license to operate the X-ray machine. Despite operating the laboratory illegally, he take heavy charges from his lab from the patients. In place of rupees 200 or 300, he charged rupees 1500 to 2000 for X-ray reports. When our correspondent went for inspection of the laboratory, the owner, Noor Hussain, blatantly tried to compromise with our correspondent and also tried to offer bribe. Here is a visual.
Putak ilitum lang dun sit labangso ritarlip dun vek nangji athema ilitum phan patient atum phan labangso anam sita me alang li pharo phor pen suri ni aposon se enpon bom athema x-ray report ke ake non make 250 si enpon vek nangji athema labangke ake ngari anchor lang non make labangso x-ray machine ke ladake sita me ladak bangke suri si thame enpon bom poson se thepon la penilitum Karbi Anglong live pen ke homri dam hodili phan same bribe na pg mate ghus na pg mate nil phan same tangka pen nang Bye Fazini Panda Nang Bor Irong. No, okay, then open. Bikram John, Karbi Anglong Live.
Look at the visual. How blatantly the owner of the clinic, Noor Hussain, took out the cash from his wallet and tried to offer bribe to a journalist. Noor Hussain didn't disclose upon whose referral and suggestion he was operating the clinic, but he certainly confessed that he doesn't possess any legal documents to operate the clinic, nor he owned any paramedical, lab technician degree or diploma. A person without legal documents operating a clinic is a threat to everyone. Therefore, the concerned authority must strictly intervene into this matter before it is too late. Bikram Teron's report from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. With a vision to uplift and spread awareness on the importance of handloom and textile, Handloom and Textile Department observed its 8th National Handloom Day at Hamren on 7th August. The Swadesi movement was a self-sufficiency movement that was part of the Indian independence movement and contributed to the development of Indian nationalism. It was formally started from Town Hall, Calcutta on 7th August 1905 to curb foreign goods by relying on domestic production. Seeing the beautiful productions from Handloom and Textile Department to preserve and encourage handlooms, Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, declared 7th August as the National Handloom Day on 7th August 2015. From that year onwards, nationwide National Handloom Day is observed. Likewise, it was also observed at Hamren, West Karbi Anglong with the theme My Handloom, My Pride this year. Mensing Bay, Superintendent of Handloom and Textile Department Hamren, while speaking to us, informed that handloom is one of the sources to be self-reliant irrespective of their gender. It focuses in uplifting the socio-economic lifestyle. Handloom aims to preserve the traditional dresses of indigenous culture and identity of various communities.
So handloom kapalam pon alam thike la pulo je so amlo tumde pola menlo so pintu mane ki pir ke tha tumdu bote la tumda socio economic patching kurji apa lapen itum la handloom ni itu amar itu la metha culture by metha tradition dress do lahai si reserve so si mutek dunia pham.
Biren Tiso, Chairman Hamren Municipal Board, attended as a guest at the event. Monu Mohan Das, Arup Kumar Bhattacharjee, Deputy Officers, Handloom and Textile, briefed about the importance of handloom and textile in today's time. Daniel in his report from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live. On 7th of August, an interactive session with the people of Deopani was organized and initiated by Shraban Kumar Telenga, MSc Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council at Nambor Bagan Mini Stadium Hall under Deopani constituency. Upon the direction of Shraban Kumar Telenga, MSc Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, all the student and social organizations of Deopani, party workers, social activists, employees of government as well as private sector jointly attended the interactive session at Nambor Bagan Mini Stadium Hall on Sunday. Pranab Teron, ACF, Suresh Lekthe, Sivaram Rongpi, Sanjeev Lekthe, Ranjit Singh Tanti, Rajan Ronghang, Alisha Teronpi, Basapi Teronpi, and many public figures of Deopani constituency attended the meeting. The specific discussion at the meeting was based on the all-round development policy of Deopani constituency within the next 5 years. Shraban Kumar Telenga, MSc, while speaking to us, appealed Dr. Tuliram Rongham, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, to draw attention towards his constituency of Deopani, as it is still deprived of all the basic developmental infrastructures like good roads, schools, drinking water, and many more.
যিহতে আমি 24 নং দেওপানী 9000 ওচৰ ৰাইজে যেতিয়া ভোট প্ৰদান কৰি জয়লাভ আমি কৰাই পেলাই অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলত আমাক পঠাইছে গতিকে মই ভাবোঁ যে ইয়াৰ প্ৰতিটো চুকে কোণে আমি আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং স্বাস্থ্য ক্ষেত্ৰৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যবাহী সন্মানীয় আমাৰ ডক্টৰ তুলিৰাম ৰঙাং দেৱৰ নেতৃত্বত আমাৰ কাউন্সিল অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিল আছে তেখেতকো আমি অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ যে আমাৰ 24 নং দেওপানী কৰণীয় কাম বহুতো আছে আমাৰ ৰাস্তা পদূলি স্কুল আমাৰ সকলোখিনি পানীৰ ব্যৱস্থা আমাৰ বহুতো কাম কাজ কৰিব।
Subhas Terang's report from Langchiting, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.